Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and getting access. First, make sure the ignition is off and the negative battery cable is disconnected if you can. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove the console trim using a plastic pry because metal tools can scratch and damage clips. You should already have a multimeter, T10 or T20 driver, contact cleaner, and tape. Now that the module is exposed, you're ready for electrical checks and a quick visual inspection. Don't skip this. You'll now diagnose the charger. Probe the harness with your multimeter. Check for the expected 5V or 9V rail under key-on conditions, because missing power means a supply issue, not the pad. Next, inspect connector pins. Corrosion or bent pins cause intermittent charging. Clean them with contact cleaner and a nylon brush and dry thoroughly. Then test coil continuity and ground. If you find a cold solder joint, reflow it carefully or resolder, since a poor joint often causes heat and failure. You finish by securing everything and verifying operation. Retuck or replace any insulation, fasten the harness with zip ties so it won't chafe, then reinstall the trim panels. Reconnect the battery, start the car, and test with a phone. Watch for immediate charge and thermal behavior, because slow or no charge points to remaining fault. If it still fails, check the inline fuses and replace any blown fuse. If fuses are good, consider swapping the wireless module or trying a known good phone to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.